Dat heeft u goed gezien. Vidya Fox is al in Suriname en ze is helemaal ready voor aanstaande zaterdag. Wij van Halat waren er vandaag en hadden een gesprek met haar. Hi Vidya, welkom in Suriname. How do you like it here?
It's been amazing so far. I love it. The air is beautiful. The vegetation is beautiful. It's raining now, which is like one of my favorite things. I love thunderstorms. It's gorgeous. Love it here.
Can you tell your friends who Vidya Fox actually is?
Oh, good question. I'm basically very silly. I feel like people don't know that from my videos because it looks very serious, all my videos, but I'm like a big goofball, and all my friends, including my bandmates, will tell you I am very silly and I love food. So those are the two things that if you want to know about me, I love food and I'm a goofball, and I also really like clothes. So yeah, those things.
What food that you already tasted here?
You know what? I haven't gotten a chance to eat any of the food here because I literally got here like this morning, like 5 a.m. So I haven't had a chance, but after the interview, we're gonna eat some food, some local food. I'm excited about it.
How did you start with the music to sing? And how did you come to the idea to mix Bollywood songs with Hollywood songs?
I've been singing all my life. My mom put me in music classes, you know, when I was a young girl, I think around 5. And I've just been singing like all my life. Basically growing up, I learned Carnatic classical music, which is South Indian classical music. And like growing up was also like a juxtaposition, because I felt like it was two separate worlds, you know. There's like the American world and the American culture, and then there is like the Indian culture, you know, where I was born and I'm brought up in. Because my parents are Indian and you know, my entire family is Indian. So I always felt like there was a disconnect there. And I always wanted to merge the worlds together, and being from a musical background, I felt, you know, music is my way of expressing that, and that's why I thought the mashups work perfectly.
How do you choose your songs?
It starts with a song that I really like to sing. So I usually either listen to it on the radio, or I have like a list on my phone of like all the songs that I really like. And so I start with that, and then I have like another list on my phone. So I have Indian songs on my phone, and then I have a list of American songs. So I was like, go through the list and see which can mash up. And I just try it out, you know, I sing it and make sure it works with the rhythm and the scale. And then Shankar puts down a rough track, and we go from there.
And you're working on your album. Maybe you can tell us more about that?
Yeah, I am working on my album. It's going to be all original songs, composed by me and Shankar and produced by him.
Who writes the songs?
So actually, we're writing it together. Yeah, we're writing all the lyrics.
Is it in English or Hindi?
Yeah, it's going to be mainly English. There are going to be a few lines of like Hindi and Tamil because I'm Tamilian. So yeah, there's going to be a few and lots of Indian influence. But it's basically Indian folk music with like an electronic American twist to it. Basically kind of like my mashups, but it's not going to be as half and half. It's going to be more English.
So you're ready for the show on Saturday?
Yes, we're really excited. We've been rehearsing for months now, and this show that we're going to perform, it's been in preparation for about a year. So been lots of trial and error and testing it out, and we feel like it's finally ready, to debut in Suriname, and we're really excited to be here.
You have a lot of fans here. What would you like to say to them?
Thank you for your support, and just thank you for sharing my songs and supporting me. It really means a lot. I really appreciate it.